Who received Social Security payment on Wednesday, May 13, 2026, DTV FAB. Millions of Americans are waiting for their next Social Security payment, but not everyone gets paid on the same day. Same retiree already receive benefits while others must wait until later in May. So, who exactly gets paid on Wednesday, May 13, 2026? In this video, I will explain the full Social Security payment schedule, average benefit amounts, and why some people receive money earlier than others. Social Security Wednesday Payment System. The Social Security Administration uses a special payment schedule based monthly on birthday. Most receipts receive retirement disability or survivor benefit on either the second, third, or fourth Wednesday of each month. Your birth date decides which Wednesday you get paid. This system helps the government distribute payments smoothly to more than 71 million Americans, receiving Social Security benefits across the country every month. Who gets paid on May 13, 2026? Social Security receipts born between the 1st and the 10th of any month are scheduled to receive benefits on Wednesday, May 13, 2026. This includes retirement benefits, disability benefits, and survivor payment. If someone receives benefits based on another person's work history, the payment schedule uses the birth date of the worker whose earning record is connected to the benefit claim. May 2026 payment date. Receipts born between the 11th and 20th of any month will receive Social Security payments on Wednesday, May 2026. Those born between the 21st and the 31st are scheduled for Wednesday, May 26. Since May started on a Friday in 2026, this month payment cycle being slightly later than normal, causing longer waits for some retiree expecting their monthly check earlier. Average Social Security benefits amount. Benefits amount vary depending on the type of Social Security payment someone receives. Retired workers currently receive an average monthly payment of around $2,081. Disabled workers receive approximately $1,634 monthly. Survivor benefits average about $1,625 monthly. Actual payments can be higher or lower depending on earning history, retirement age, disability status, and individual benefit calculation made by the Social Security Administration, who already received payment earlier. Not everyone waits for the Wednesday payment cycle. Some long term Social Security receipts already received benefits on Friday, May 1st, 2026. These apply mainly to people who started collecting benefits before May 1997. Normally, these receipts are paid on the third day of each month, but because May 3rd fell on a Sunday, payments were issued on the closest business day up before then. SSI and Social Security double payments. Some Americans receive both Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, also called SSI. These individuals usually receive SSI payments on the first day of the month and Social Security benefit on the third. However, because May 3 was a weekend in 2026, May double receipt received both payments together on Friday, May 1st. This unusual schedule may have confused some beneficiaries checking their account. How Social Security send payments. Most Social Security payments are delivered through direct deposit directly into bank account. Recipients can manage banking information using the online My Social Security account system. Others may receive payments through the Direct Express debit card program, especially designed for federal benefit payments. Electronic payments help reduce delay and also allow recipients to access retirement income faster and more securely every month. Why payment date matter? For millions of retirees, Social Security is their primary source of monthly income. Knowing exact payment date help payment people budget for rent, groceries, medical expenses, and utility bill. Delay or confusion about payment schedule can create financial stress, especially for seniors living on fixed income. That's why understanding the Social Security calendar becomes extremely important for retirement planning and monthly financial stability. If your birthday falls between the 1st and the 10th of your Social Security payment is scheduled for Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Other recipients will receive benefits later in the month depending on the birth date. Understanding the payment schedule can help you avoid confusion and manage your retirement income more confidently. If you found this update helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone receiving Social Security benefit.